Hello and welcome to Doubt Forum. The question is, the two bodies of mass 4 kg and 6 kg are tied to the ends of a massless string. The string passes over a pulley which is frictionless. The acceleration of the system in terms of acceleration due to gravity is. So the question says that there are two mass. First one is of 4 kg and another is 6 kg. These two masses are tied to the ends of a massless string. This is a massless string, and this string passes over a pulley. This is a pulley which is frictionless. Now, acceleration of this whole system we have to find out in terms of acceleration due to gravity, small g. So to find out the acceleration, what we will do, we will try to find out the total acceleration of system with the help of Newton's second law. And the Newton's second law says that force equals mass into acceleration. From this, acceleration A is F upon m. Now what we will do, by using this formula, we will calculate the acceleration of this whole system. So in this formula, we will be requiring the net force which is acting on this system divided by the total mass of the system in order to get the acceleration. So first of all, we have to find out the F net divided by m total. In order to find out the F net or the total force acting on this system, we have to individually mark the force acting on each body. So force on this 6 kg body will be downwards, and it is m into g, m1 into g, which is 6g. And the force on this 4 kg body will be m2g or 4 times g. So these two forces are acting in the opposite direction. Obviously, due to this 6 kg mass, this system will move like this. It will accelerate in this direction. So the total force on this system will be this force minus this force. This will be the net force. So the F net will be 6g minus 4g divided by m total is the m1 plus m2, which is equal 6g minus 4g divided by 4 kg plus 6 kg, or 2g divided by 6 plus 4, 10, or g by 5 meter per second square. So this will be the acceleration of this system, and the direction of this acceleration will be from 4 kg towards 6 kg. Okay, so our answer 3 is the correct one. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, please let us know in the comment section.